Hi guys, I'm back with a part 2 video featuring tips and tricks on how to nail your base makeup for a clean, flawless finish. Let's get into it. We're all naturally darker in this area, make sure to warm it up as well for a believable look. Blend your cheek contour up for a higher cheekbone appearance. Stipple in your concealer for fuller coverage and drag it out for a facelift, okay? Dab translucent powder with a damp beauty sponge in the same pulled out motion. You can build it up to your desire. Set your chin and your forehead, and then you can set the rest of your face with the pressed powder. Apply the powder along your cheek to make your cheek contour pop. Stack it around your nose as well for the nose contour to pop. Don't forget your eyebrows, girl. And just like that, you can split your face and we're done. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys would like to see next.